What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. Hope everybody's been liking the auction videos. I've enjoyed doing that. I think I mentioned that once already. We're going to take a little drive in the 2000, hell, I never remember, January of 04. Let's call this an 04. GX470. This one we've had for a while. My brother put his girlfriend in it for about a year before he bought her the BMW. And this thing just sits here. Sits. So, I thought I'd do a little update video on it and tell you guys a little bit more about it. Let's adjust the seatbelt height. Alright. So, this is an 04, as you can see, non-Navy model. And it's a non-third row. No third row. Okay. It's in pretty good condition for its age. Might be a little trash back there. Good condition for its age. Seats are in good shape. Hey, get you some money. You know, a little typical type wear, cracking, what have you. But it's a clean ride. This still retains its factory air shocks and ride or whatever. We've had several of these over the years, and most of them have been converted to the R-Knot, but this one's still rolling. I doubt it's the original set. Surely they've been replaced once, but you know how robust these things are. They could be original. Truck drives and handles just great. But we need to sell it. It's just sitting here. We need to sell it. And you know, if you know anything about these things, you know they're priced all over the damn place. You know, if one's been outfitted with some, you know, off-road type stuff, you know, they sell in the 20s to 30,000. It doesn't matter how many damn miles it has on it. Stock ones with 200,000 miles, people want 20 grand. Some people want 12 or 13. So, you know, again, prices all over the damn place. I would like to consider this one a good, clean example with no mechanical issues and showing 282,000 miles. So it's very well used, but it's in good shape for its miles and its age. We got a few cracks in the dashboard, which was very common on these. This one is not the worst one I've seen. I've seen a lot worse. This one actually looks pretty good compared to most of this generation. You know, got a little wear on the steering wheel. Okay, you know, that could probably be refinished. But, you know, driver's seat is intact. Only has a small hole in it. Engine and transmission just run, I mean, just buttery smooth. It's got fairly, I mean, newish Michelins on it. I would say they're 75-80%. And the body is just outstanding on this thing. I mean, it doesn't have any scratches, dings, dents to speak of. Seems like the Carfax on this one's clean. I want to say my brother bought this one with around 260 on it, and it's got, like I said, 282 now. So we put 20-something thousand miles on it, and it's just been, you know, it's been dead solid, very rugged and bulletproof. But it's time to sell it. It's time to sell it, folks. So, you know, if you know anybody, yourself or anyone that might be looking for a good GX to build off of, or just to get in and drive, just daily drive. This would be, I mean, excellent. Those were railroad tracks I just went over, by the way. 2 sets of them. These are the city streets of Chattanooga, and this thing rides terrific. I mean, just terrific. I do have a blinker bulb that's out, so I need to replace that. It's just had an oil change recently, so it's been serviced. Like I said, air's good, cold. Heated seats work. Actually, it is 60 degrees today, and I don't need any freaking heat. Good Lord. Now this thing has not been detailed. This is just how it has been sitting. I see a little pop that's been spilled right there. So, you know, it's not like a pampered unit, but it's good and clean and in decent shape. You know, the wood looks good. You know, just a few little cracks here and there. That wood down there looks really good. And even the wooden steering wheel looks really good. My mom's 06 LS, man, this thing's all cracked to heck. This one's not like that. This one's nice. And buddy, she's got guts. There's 55, just like that, man. I mean, this thing has got some guts. It will get up and move. Just strong. I mean, it drives like 82,000 miles. That's how I would kind of classify it, as how the ride and the drive and the feel of the rig. I would say it's an 82,000 mile truck, not 282. But anyway, I'll get some more video here in just a minute. I got to pull in here and make a deposit, but I'll do a little walk around, add to this, so I'll see you in just a second. Okay, thought I would get on the interstate real quick and get you guys a little highway clip. I got tied up with a phone call there and interrupted the video, but of course y'all didn't realize it. But that was 30 minutes ago. Yeah, so we got to sell this thing. We need to get rid of it. It's just sitting around tying up money that we could use to be buying cars. I mean, we got the Armada still. Nobody's using it. My brother bought a 2011 Lexus LX570. I've been aiming to get you guys a video on, but I hadn't had a chance to do that yet. So, yeah, so I need to move some cars. Especially the ones that are just sitting around. I mean, we've had this for over a year now. And it has served its purpose. Kept the girlfriend happy. It's just time to move on now. As you can see, this thing just glides down the interstate. Glides. Effortlessly. Sorry, my videos keep getting interrupted with phone calls. We got 2 titles in today. The title for the Saab 9.3 and the title for the little Hyundai hatchback. Still hadn't gotten the title on the Subaru Outback though, which is kind of odd because we bought that several weeks ago. Anyway, so I'm just banging along here on Chattanooga's beat up 24 highway. Go ahead, just exit. Yeah, don't use a blinker, don't do anything. Very smooth. Pretty quiet too. most Michelin LTXs help. Good tires, always key, especially on an SUV or a truck. Run some Michelins. Not saying that's the only tire, but those are my favorite. But I like a Nitto tire. They make a good looking off-road tire. Alright, I'll get you guys a little walk around of this thing and we'll wrap this baby up. Hadn't been washed in months. Still looks good. But look at this thing. Certified pre-owned from, come on, focus. Harvey Lexus, which I think's out of Louisiana. Need to, got some weather stripping I need to replace there. But other than that, it's in good shape. I mean, no dents, no dings. It's got a factory Lexus hitch. Doesn't look like anybody really towed much with it. Maybe a time or two, but that's it. But this thing just doesn't have any door dings, no scratches. I mean, it's just incredible shape for 282,000 miles and being a January 04, so early 04 model. So, you know, hit me up in the comments. If you're interested, know somebody that wants one, looking for one, you want one, just let me know. Hit me up in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe. Appreciate you. We'll see you next time. Peace.